Hi guys, this is a quick update video on how week 1 went and how week 2 is going, and I intend it to be. Week 1 was overall really good. It started off well, um, and also ended quite well. Um, I weighed myself before I began the challenge on the weekend before the challenge, and I was 76 kilos. Now, let me just tell you, for my height and my age, I'm supposed to be between 55 to 57, and I'm 20 kilos overweight. So you can understand where my unhappiness and my frustration was coming from. But I was shocked to know that just 2 3 days before the week ended, towards the end of last week, I weighed myself and I was 73.3. So within the first week, I just lost 2.7 kilos, and that too, I didn't really uh, feel like I really did much. I feel like I just cut down on having so much chai, which I used to really have a lot of tea, so I cut that down. I started walking a bit, and not even a lot, just about 3 kilometers a day, not much, okay. I also started thinking before eating. That's all I started doing, having a lot of salads. I did not give up on eating rice or potatoes or anything that is really like unhealthy. In fact, I even ate fries last week one day. But the key thing is I started thinking before eating, making wiser choices. Like if I've had a heavy meal in the afternoon, I would compensate and have only salads for dinner. I've had soup for dinner one day. I even cooked meals for others, but chose not to eat those meals I've cooked, and ate healthier stuff instead. So it was all about thinking before eating and just taking little steps, and that resulted in 2.7 kilos of weight loss. So I am really challenged and excited, and I hope that week 2 is better for me than week 1. One thing I was unhappy about though was the amount of water I took last week. I intended, my goal was to have 3 liters of water a day, but I did not end up having 3 liters of water a day. So this week, let me tell you, the goals for this week are: I intend on having 3 liters of water every day. um, I know that can be a challenge sometimes, because drinking water can, just plain water, can be boring. So to break it up and make it more interesting, I'm going to have a fruit infused water. So um, yesterday I had lemon water. Today I'm having lemon and orange and mint in water. So these things really sort of help make it more interesting, and it's healthy because it's vitamin C in water. There's a lot of things you can do to make drinking water interesting, and hopefully every day I'll make Instagram posts about what I'm doing that day to make drinking water more interesting. But it is so important to be well hydrated and to just have a lot of liquid through the day, and healthy liquid, not juices that have preservatives in it, and a lot of unhealthy sugar drinks. And so I've really cut down on all of that, and I'm trying to go the healthy way. I want to thank all of you who have been in touch with me and are also having a great time through this challenge. Those of you who have been encouraging me by posting on my Facebook profile ideas, recipes, I want to thank all of you. And here's hoping that week 2 will be better. Another thing is, I do hope to exercise more this week. So incorporate more uh, a little more running perhaps in my schedule, so that I'm not just walking. I want to take it a little further. I want to walk more, perhaps run a little. So let's see how that goes. I hope to burn more calories this week, and I will keep you posted at the end of the week on how I'm doing. I want you to check below the YouTube video. There is a link to my blog, which I will update regularly during this week. There is a link to my Facebook profile and my Instagram, and my Twitter, so you can follow me and stay in touch with me. And once again, I apologize for the quality of the video and the audio. And I really haven't edited this because I don't have access to and editing software today. So this is just the raw cut video, but I hope you're encouraged, and I hope we have a great week together on this 14 week challenge towards a better, fitter self. God bless you, and I will stay in touch with you. Bye bye. Love you.